Hi everyone, welcome to the Numpy basic session. In this session, we will learn about how to use matplotlib along with Numpy. So as usual, I have imported this matplotlib library as plt, and then we will start with our basic visualization. So if we want to display this line y is equals to m into x plus c, how we will execute this? So suppose our slope is 3, okay, y-intercept is 4, and we'll have this x as the around 20 points using the np.linspace. Okay, the most important thing I forgot to import. So now if I execute this, okay, now what is x? If you see x will be around 20, like you can see here, it's an array which contains around 50 items, okay, and that will be between 1 and 20. We will say y is equals to m into x plus c, and if you go to the variable explorer, open y, so we will have different values of y for the different values of x. Now if we want to, so what we'll do plt dot, if you want to display it in a form of visualization, so what we'll do, visualization, we need to give what is my x-axis, and then followed by plt dot, then we'll like plt dot ylabel for the y-axis, and after this we'll plot plt dot plot x comma y, and then simply we'll give plt dot show. So this is simple linear regression line using like the matplotlib. Now we can play with this. In this, by default, it is taking a straight line. Like we can play with the options. For example, if we take this now, instead of hyphen, if we change it to something like double hyphen here, so now it should give a different visualization. Yeah, you can see this dotted line is like it is changed, right? If I suppose give here, instead of this double hyphen, if I give dot hyphen, so what will I get? You can see, right, the visualization of this line is clearly changed. Now if I again want to do something else, I am not satisfied with what I am displaying here, I'll give just simple dot. So now what will be the output? So in this way we can like get to see the different visualization, and we have to do it manually. But I don't want to display manually all the different options what we can do. So in that case we'll create a list, options is equals to, and in that we'll have simple first comma. There are n number of things you can play with, so I'm just showing you few of those. So what is the length of opt? 11. There are 11 items, okay. So we will again create the color, because if we give here like comma color is equals to red, and if you print, then it will be print in the red color. So our motto is to get print all the different with the different options, we want to print it with a different color. Okay, color is equals to, what we'll say, we'll say this color one, because parameter of plt.plot the name is already color, so we don't want to have any contention. So we'll create this. Okay, now len of color one is 11. That's fine, absolutely correct. Now what we'll do, we'll run a for loop for I in range len of option, and then what we will do, we will simply get this value here, this. Okay, now if we print, it will print 11 times with the same red color and with this dotted line. We want to have a demo red color dotted line, but our motto is not that. What we need to do is, instead of this dot, we need to pass the opt list, where we pass this I, and then in place of r we need to pass this list color 1, where I'll pass this. And now if I print, it will show us all the different colors. Okay, so if I execute this now, there was a typo. After this 2 there is a comma, because of which it's not able to take it correctly. Okay, now if we execute this, so you can see everything is printed properly, like displayed very nicely. If you take right from the first, this is for hyphen, single hyphen, this is for double hyphen, this is for dot, this is for dot hyphen, this is for normal pipeline, then this is for caret, this is for P, this is for D, diamond, then this is for 1 if you give, then this is for 2, this is how it comes. And then for S finally it will be like this, as it is trying to display. So this is one of the way, like instead of doing it manually, you can play with the options and you can select what you want to actually do. And you can also display what you are printing along with this visualization demo. That is a task up to you how you want to explore that. Now I will also show one last thing and then we'll wind up this session. I'll show you how to display a bar plot. Suppose we have x is equals to 14 and we have y 18. Okay, and then we'll say x1 is equals to, and y1 is equals to, and after this we'll give plt dot bar plot will, and we'll give x comma y comma alignment is equals to center, followed by again plt dot, and then we'll give the title for each of the line, and then for the x-axis and y-axis. Now if we execute this, this is how we do the comparison. Like this is for 1 year and this is for the sales of your of your product. For 1 year it's this, and for the next year is this, and again the sale of the different item for 2012 it's something like this, and 2013 is something. So this will come into play in the comparisons of the bar graph. So this is how we can achieve like visualization. What I have shown you is one of the very basics things. I have not used Seaborn. I have not used any like other complicated stuff. It's very simple how to use Numpy and matplotlib and do the visualization. So thanks a lot for watching this session. If you feel this video is helpful, please press the like button and subscribe to this channel. And I'll see you in the next section where I'm preparing many other videos in different topics, such as in scikit-learn how we can use the cross validation, k-fold cross validation for the validation score and the predict. So, and again in NumPy also 2 topics are still left, followed by we'll like explore the for option. So I'll be coming up in later weeks with n number of videos. Okay, so thanks a lot and I'll see you in the next video. Thank you.